Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, March 25th. Currently seeing some moderate rain out there this morning. We've already seen close to a half an inch of rain across the Wallops region, as well as some gusty easterly winds. We are currently in a wind advisory as well. We will be seeing those gusty winds as well as that rain throughout the workday today. Rain should taper off between 4 and 6 p.m. this afternoon, with those winds slowly dying off. Likely going to be seeing that wind advisory until we get into the early evening hours. Taking a look at our current radar image here, we are seeing that batch of some moderate to briefly heavy rain that just went through the Wallops region. Going to continue to see some pockets of moderate rain as we go through the next couple of hours. Then it looks like we'll transition to some more lighter shower activity, but still going to be seeing some low clouds, and those gusty easterly winds will continue as well. Taking a look at our source analysis, very similar to the setup we had on Monday morning with this low to the south, giving us that moderate, briefly heavy rain this morning, and then that high pressure off to the northern New England. That's causing that pressure gradient to be tight across the mid-Atlantic, giving us those gusty easterly winds, seeing wind gusts up to around 35 miles per hour or so. Maybe we'll see them a little bit higher even as we get towards the late morning and early afternoon hours. Currently, as of 8 a.m., seeing a broken cloud deck at 500 feet, overcast at 2,500 with some restricted visibilities and moderate rain. Winds were from azimuth 070, so east-northeasterly with 20 knot winds gusting to 28 knots, temperature of 47 degrees. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing the best chance for some moderate to briefly heavy rain over the next hour. Looks like we've perhaps seen the heaviest rain already. We are going to be seeing rain then lighten up a bit once we get towards the afternoon, then dying off around 4 o'clock or so, with just a slight chance of an isolated shower after that. We're going to see a high of 51 today, as those easterly winds will keep our temperature pretty capped, as well as our cloud cover and rain. Winds are going to shift more northeasterly late this morning and increase a bit between 18 to 23 knots in gusty, and those northeasterly winds will continue into the afternoon and start to die off in the mid-afternoon hours slowly, and then seeing that wind advisory start to likely be canceled as we get towards sunset. Winds tonight are going to shift more northerly after 8 p.m., and then as we get towards after midnight, they'll really die down, becoming a northwesterly at 6 to 11 knots, and that will continue into mid-morning Thursday, where we're expecting a low of 39 degrees. Look at the terminal forecast. Gusty low ceilings around 500 to 1,000 feet over the next several hours with rain. You see them raise up to around 2,000 feet or so, becoming overcast to 7,500 by the early afternoon hours. Going tonight, still going to be seeing some low cloudiness between about 2,000 to 3,000 feet, and then we'll start to see that really break up once we get closer to sunrise, with a few clouds at 1,000 scattered at 3,000 by around 6 a.m. tomorrow. Seeing those higher tides continue, especially with this easterly flow out there, with tides 1 foot above normal across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly cloudy skies and a very seasonable high of 56. Going to be a very beautiful day out there. Thursday night, we're going to see partly cloudy skies early, then becoming mostly cloudy late as we have a warm front moving across the region. That'll help to give us an early low of 46, with temperatures rising throughout the evening, and then possibly seeing an isolated shower after 4 a.m. And then Friday, it does look like we are going to be seeing some scattered showers. Models have different opinions about this right now. Looks like our European model is the most bullish to give us some scattered showers Friday morning. It looks like we'll see them mainly before noon if they do develop. It's also going to be somewhat breezy at times as we get a good southwesterly wind ramping up. And then a high of 71. Models are showing the winds becoming onshore as we get to the afternoon, and that's going to quickly lower that temperature. So our high on Friday will have will be greatly impacted on how quickly those winds shift from southwesterly to onshore. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Otherwise, have a great day.